Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and more. And today I'm going to cover further on how you can use customer feedback to generate business ideas. And today's quick video is on how you can use customer feedback effectively to come up with some business ideas. There are 4 steps which I normally recommend. You can add more or less, but these are the basic 4 steps which can give you good guideline to follow the process. The first step is you should identify patterns and the trend. So you should always see what are the reoccurring complaints or the wishes which customer is still looking for in a product or services. Based upon those patterns and trends, you can then group them together and create a theme which you can offer. For example, it can be price, feature, or a new product altogether. It can be convenience also if it is a customer service related thing. An example for that is Netflix. The whole idea which they have generated to have a streaming service, they started with DVD rental and they were fed up with the customer complained about Blockbuster charging late fee on the CDs. So they removed CD, that late fee concept. They introduce a monthly rental fee and then you can keep the DVD as long as you want. Excellent business idea. Similarly, you can explore what are the recurring problem in areas where you can provide some services. Then you can prioritize your feasibility of your solution. What you can do, not all feedbacks has to be developed as a product or a service. You have to figure out what are the top priorities in those feedback which can be addressed and can generate good business amount for you. And then once you have that, you can combine those to come up with a prototype or an initial solution which can test your offering in the market. You can go with a small group of people, get further feedback, and then based upon that you can collect additional data points, work on a product model which can be usable for much larger audience, and then you can go on full-fledged production or whatever model you want to follow. A very good example for that is Dropbox. Before developing their entire platform to share files, they created a video to gauge interest of audience from the market, that if we are going to offer something like this, will you be interested? If yes, please sign up for upcoming release. And based upon all those data points, they gathered that yes, it's good platform to be developed, because file sharing in a secure environment was a concern at that time. The last step will be you have to close the feedback loop. What I mean by that is you have to tell your customers that based upon your feedback, we have addressed these many areas, and now you can explore these products from a different perspective, whether those were complaint or wish list, whether those are satisfying your customers' need or not. Also, you can show your appreciation towards their feedback so that they will be more enthusiastic in sharing their own thoughts for those new products or maybe future product ideas. And this can help you in building a long-term loyalty as well. So these are the 4 steps I normally recommend to have when you are trying to utilize customer feedback for product or service development. You can expand or contrast any of these points based upon what you are planning to do, but these can be a very good generic guideline for you. Let me know if you have any other feedback, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Take care.